This video explains how to create a test that any user can take for unlimited times. Navigate to the Tests panel and click New Test. When appearing in the test creation wizard, you can begin by entering the name of your test, its description, and some instructions for the candidates. On the second step of the test wizard, you can define test duration, report settings, and set test retakes to unlimited if you want to allow your students to take it an indefinite number of times. Additionally, you can attach a certificate, add questions, choose a grading method, and review the test once you're finished. Lastly, click on the Finish Wizard button. After this, you can schedule the test. In the Testing Sessions tab, click the New Training Session button and fill out all the necessary information. Give a name and define the period when candidates will be able to take the test. The availability of this session should be set far into the future to allow candidates the comfort and freedom of taking the test whenever they please. Click on the Candidate Self-Enrollment button to enable self-enrollment, allowing the session to become global. In other words, application user can take this, save the changes, and publish the test, making it live for candidates to take.